Hello students, how are you all? In our channel, we are mainly focusing to teach science subjects for 9th and 10th students. If you are 9th or 10th students, please hit the subscription button to get more educational videos related to your subjects. Today, I am going to teach you about the chemical reactions and equations for 10th students. In first chapter you are going to learn about the chemical reactions and equations. When you are watching this video, take your notebook and write the points that I am telling in this video, students. Okay, first you are going to learn about chemical reactions, chemical reaction and equations. This topics comes under in chapter 1. Chapter 1 for 10th students. Okay. You are going to learn about the chemical reactions and equations, then types of chemical reaction. Types of chemical reaction. Okay. Now you can take your book and open chapter 1 and see the chemical reaction and equation topics, and then read the types of chemical reactions. In your book you can see 5 types of chemical reactions. Okay, first one is combination reaction. Combination reaction. Okay. Second, decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. Then displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Fourth one is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. Okay. Fifth one is oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Okay, you can see these 5 types of chemical reaction in your book. Okay, before going to see these 5 topics, you must know what is meant by chemical reactions. Okay, now you are going to learn what is meant by chemical reaction. What is mean by chemical reaction? Okay, anybody know what is meant by chemical reactions? Write the answer in your notebook. Okay, now I am going to write this. Okay, I have seen many students are memorizing the topics that what is written in the book. You no need to worry about the memorizing the content. After watching this video, you can close your eyes and then instantly you can able to answer the questions. For example, what is mean by chemical reactions? Now we are going to learn about what is mean by chemical reaction. Okay, what is mean by chemical reaction? Okay, actually chemical reactions involve breaking or making of chemical bonds between atoms is called chemical reaction. The bonds during the reaction, the bonds may be breaking or making the bonds between the atoms called chemical reaction. Okay, now you have learned what is meant by chemical reaction. During the chemical reaction, the bond may be break or the bond may be formed between the atoms is called chemical reactions. Okay, we have seen 5 types of chemical reactions in our syllabus. Okay, what is mean by what are the types of chemical reaction? First one is decomposition reactions. displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions. In this video, you are going to learn about oxidation and reduction reactions. After you watching this video, you will be able to answer what is mean by oxidation reaction, what is mean by reduction reactions with examples. Okay. Okay. Now you are going to learn about oxidation and reduction reactions. Okay, now we are going to learn about oxidation and reduction reactions. In your book you can see one example with clear picture. Okay, now you can open your book and see the example. Okay, in your book you can see oxidation of copper. Okay, copper powder, oxidation of copper powder to copper oxide, oxidation of copper to copper oxide. What they have given in your book, for as an example, they have given this is burner. Okay, this is burner. Now what you are going to give here, heat. Okay, this is heat. Okay, then keep wire gas. Here they are given this one as a wire gas. This is wire gas, and then keep here one small china dish. Keep here china dish. Okay, then put your sample. What you are going to put here? Copper powder. This is, what is this one? Copper powder. Okay, after placing the copper powder in china dish, what you are going to do? Just you are burning this sample. What will happen? This copper powder becomes black powder called as copper oxide. Okay, while you are doing this experiment in your schools, your teachers should be there to monitor these reactions. Don't do this experiment alone in your school students. Okay, have you think why this copper powder, that means converted into copper oxide, black copper oxide? Have you think why this happen? Let's see with an example. Okay, now you are going to see. Now you can open your book, page number 12, section 1.25. Okay, this is because the copper powder has been converted into copper oxide. This is because the oxygen, the copper powder converted to copper oxide. This is because the oxygen is added to copper. Okay, the oxygen is added to copper, that's why the copper oxide is formed. Okay, that's why copper oxide is formed. Okay, now see with example. Now you can take 2 mole of copper and oxygen. Okay, then you have given heat. Okay, heat. What happened? 2 mole of copper oxide formed. Okay, this is equation 1. Okay, what happened? You have taken copper powder and you are passing this oxygen under heat condition. What happened? Copper oxide is formed. What happened in this case? The oxygen is added to copper, that's why the copper oxide is formed. Okay, let's see second example. Now you can take the copper oxide and then you are going to pass hydrogen gas under heat condition. What is going to happen? The copper oxide has been converted into copper with water. This is the second equation. Okay. What happened in this case? In the previous case, the copper powder taken the oxygen and then converted into copper oxide. Here the copper oxide converted into copper. This means the reverse reaction. What is this one? Reverse reaction. Okay. Now this is a time to learn. Have you copied the content here, students? Okay. Okay. Now you are going to learn what is meant by oxidation reaction. Oxidation. What is meant by oxidation reaction? Okay. If a substance gain oxygen during the reaction, it's said to be oxidation reaction. If a substance gain oxygen during the reaction, during a reaction is called oxidation reaction. Okay. If a substance gain oxygen during the reaction is called oxidation reaction. Now with example I will tell you. 2 mole of copper plus O2 gives heat. What happened? Copper oxide is formed. In this case what happened? If a substance, this is a copper powder, this is the substance. If a substance gain oxygen, this is substance. Okay. If a substance gain oxygen during the reaction is called oxidation reaction. Okay. Have you all understand what is meant by oxidation reaction? Okay. I hope all you understand. Okay. Now we are going to move the reduction reaction. Okay. The students don't memorize the content what is actually written in your book. First understand the basic concepts. Okay. Then you can easily remember the content. Okay. You will not forget about the topics for other friends. Okay. Then what is meant by reduced reaction? Okay. Now we are going to learn about the reduction reaction. Okay. Now you are going to learn about the reduction reactions. If a substance lose oxygen during the reaction, if a substance lose the oxygen during the reactions, is said to be reduced reaction. Okay. If a substance lose oxygen during the reaction is called reduced reaction. Okay. Now we are going to see with example. Okay. Now we have copper oxide plus hydrogen gas. You are taken the copper oxide and oxygen in presence of heat. What is going to happen? Copper powder plus water will form. Okay. In this case the oxidation and reduction reactions happen. Okay. Anyone can see the answer how this reaction is formed? Okay. Now the hydrogen is converted into hydrogen converted into, okay, one second friends. Here the copper oxide converted into copper. Here this is the reduction reactions. What is meant by reduction reaction? If a substance lose, this is the substance. This is the copper oxide is substance. If a substance lose oxygen during the reaction is called reduced reaction. You can see here the copper oxide is lose its oxygen and converted into copper. That's why this reaction is reduction reaction. Okay, here the hydrogen is gained oxygen, that is why this is the oxidation reaction. Okay, now you have learned what is mean by oxidation and reduction reactions. I'm going to tell you some other examples. Okay, some other examples. Write down the answers. Zinc oxide plus carbon converted to zinc with carbon monoxide. Okay, what happened in this case? The carbon gained oxygen. This is oxidized. The zinc oxide is lose its oxygen. This is reduced reactions. Okay, then let's see some other examples. Manganese oxide plus hydrochloric acid. Then what happened in this case? MnCl2 plus H2O, water, and then chloride is formed. Okay, from the above examples, what you have learned? We have learned completely about the oxidation and reduction reactions. Okay, now I am going to ask you, what is meant by oxidation reaction? You can close your eyes and then tell me, if a substance gain oxygen or lose of hydrogen is called oxidation reactions. Okay, if a substance gain oxygen or lose of hydrogen during the reaction is called oxidation reactions. If a substance lose oxygen or gain of hydrogen during the reaction is called reduced reactions. From these above examples, you have learned what is meant by chemical reactions. What is mean by chemical reactions? Chemical reactions involve breaking or making of bond between atom is called chemical reactions. Then you have learned the types of chemical reactions. Out of 5, I have taught only one topic. Rest of them I will upload as soon as possible. Then you have learned the chemical reaction and oxidation reduction reaction. Students, please read and then understand the concept. You will not forget about the concept forever, students. We will see in next video. Thank you so much for watching this video.